Vlogmas with Tisa. I wonder where we're going. And trunk is packed. Blankets. Wonder where you're going. Wait a minute. It's multiplied. Hey guys. Welcome to day 2 of my Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed the video from yesterday. If not, go back and watch that video as well so you can live in the day in the life of Tisa and see what I do for a living. But today I am traveling out of state with my family, going to New York with my family. My cousin is playing in a football game and we're very excited. He's just an incredible young man, and this is just a great opportunity for him to potentially go to the next level. So we're going to be traveling today, so let's get on the road and head to our destination. Enjoy the ride. Still going. Oh, hey, Newark Airport. Hi, New York City. You guys can't really see it because it's getting dark, but you can see the skyline. Welcome to New York. But this isn't our final stop, so gotta keep going. There's the city. And over there is MetLife Stadium where the New York Giants play. Good morning, everybody. I'm so sorry. I forgot to let you all know that we actually did make it to our destination. It's for my cousin's football game that's happening on Saturday, so I will not be posting this video again until after the fact because some people are crazy and they will actually come and try to find you. But anyway, we did make it here safely, so let's go ahead and get ready for today and see what we have in store for today. So stay tuned. I think I'll go to Bath and Body Works today and get some of these 3-wick candles for $10.25. Let's go. All right, guys. So I've made it to my location. Let me walk through this mall, get to this Bath and Body Works, and see what I can get today. Ooh, let's go in this mall. Got a Target over there too, but we focus, Tisa. Bath and Body Works. I don't know where I'm going, so I'm just walking through this mall. We gonna figure it out though. We gonna figure it out. We see somebody with a Bath and Body Works bag, so can't be too far away. There it is, upstairs. Here I come, baby. Jackpot! All right, guys, so we have made it to the motherland. All 3-wick candles, $10.25. So here goes some of the fragrances. I'm gonna smell these and see how they smell. Definitely buying this one. And we're gonna need a basket. I told myself I was only gonna buy like 2 candles. I clearly lied to myself. I'm definitely picking up this winter candy apple one. There are so many different fragrances at this store and so many candles still in stock. This is such a blessing. And I'm here late. Some new fragrances that came out as well. So I think I'm gonna pick up one of these new fragrances as well. Probably this cranberry one because I love cranberry scents. But so many different options. This one, definitely getting it. Of course, they got the other scents that I like as well. I definitely picked up one of the champagne toast. I like the cactus blossom as well. The cinnamon spice. Oh, so many different options. But we're gonna get the champagne toast. So many different scents. I'm trying to be good. I'm really trying to be good. But there's so many scents, so many scents, so many different scents. Oh, I'm gonna need help after this. I'm gonna need a little bit of therapy. I really wish I had a coupon. Then they have these fragrances as well. Oh God, they smell so good, you guys. Especially this Market Peach one and this orange pineapple, Tiki Beach. Oh my God. I'm gonna be in so much trouble when I leave here. I was very good, you guys. Let's see what I got. Yeah, we like freebies too. Y'all see that? free candle gift box with any purchase. This is why people buy these candles, are so hype about Candle Day, you guys, because look how much we saved. Yeah, I paid $55, but I saved $75, so great deal. So let me show you the candles I got. All right, so here are the ones that I decided to get for myself, and I'm so excited about each one of these fragrances. They are definitely some of my favorites. Can you guys tell I like cranberry scented stuff? So yep, thanks for following me along. Today I'm going to Bath and Body Works, and here is the free bag that came with it. All right guys, it's day 2. I'm about to head down for breakfast. Of course, I got a rep for the home team. Very excited about the game today. Can't wait to see how the boys do. So let's go get breakfast first. All these people down here for breakfast. Let's go say good morning to the works first though. All right, y'all. My gift card for Swag Bucks came through. I had planned to use it yesterday when I went to go get my candles, but it hadn't come through yet, but it came through today. So I'm actually gonna run back over to Bath and Body Works today before we head to the football game and get 2 more candles. But this time I'm buying them for my family. See, I do share. So let's head on out. All right, guys, back in the mall. This time I came in the other side. So let's see what's on this side of the mall. Got Christmas decoration place. Gotta love ornaments, guys. Urban Air. Pretty nice mall. Got a Gold's Gym in the mall. These places aren't really open. Got a Build-A-Bear. K Jewelers. Torrid. Y'all, they have an Aerie. I freaking love Aerie. Their clothing fits so nice on my body, especially the underwear. Their underwear are like real size. So this time I'm going to pick up one of the eucalyptus and spearmint because my cousin really likes this type of scent, so I'm going to pick this up for her. And my aunt really likes like clean scents, so I think I'm going to pick her up this linen sheets one because it has a really clean smell to it. Actually, I think I'm going to get her this one too. It has a really clean scent as well, and it smells divine. I think I'm actually going to trade in the other eucalyptus for this one instead. I like this one much better for her. Y'all, the worker she just hustled me. She talked me into getting this one, the black chamomile. It does smell really, really nice. So I'm going to pick it up because she said they only have like maybe 25 left in the store. This is all they have left in the store, and it might not come back. And it's a semi-annual type sale since. So yep, I'm gonna pick this one up too. So I did pretty good. I only walked out with 4. I was only supposed to walk out with 2, so I didn't do too bad. All right, so here is my receipt for them. Ended up saving a little bit more on some of the candles because they were a little higher and then some were a little lower, but nonetheless I was only supposed to get 2 and I picked up 4. But I had $61 in discounts. Yes. And like I told you guys, I rolled that gift card that I turned in for my Swag Bucks. This is why I tell you guys to get those reward apps like Fetch and Swag Bucks and Shopkicks and stuff, because you can turn those points into gift cards and get the things that you want or that you need. So I only ended up spending $19.33 on 4 candles. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. That's less than 1 candle cost by itself. So yeah, and they're gonna love these candles. Run it, Alex. Get out! Come on, Josh.
Get after it!
Alright guys, we are heading back home. The game is over. I did insert some footage from it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. No, our team did not win, but we are still proud of our player. No, I'm not driving and filming at the same time. Somebody else is driving. But yep, let's head back home to Virginia. And now we're in New Jersey. humongous. Called American Dream. Y'all see that? It has a whole Ferris wheel.
But when did they start building?
Huge. Huge mall.
I think it was like controversial.
I think my cousin said it has a roller coaster inside of it too.
It was damn.
Look at that. Can y'all see it now? Look at that. This thing is humongous.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It was like
$9 billion to make it.
Project has seen multiple owners. Yeah, it was like
the
real
stadium.
controversial. Not controversial, but everybody was like,
There's the Newark Airport. It's pretty huge.
on
Still driving.
$4.95 or whatever. So
Hey, Delaware.
yeah. Was it? Yeah.
Season's greetings. But we're still going.
Pretty much.
Hey, Baltimore. Baltimore. That's what they call it, Baltimore.
Stay in the middle 3 lanes.
Yeah, the tunnel. There it is, guys. Stadiums. Well, there's the bridge to the stadium. There it goes. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Probably not. There they go. That's the basketball. No, not the basketball. The baseball stadium. And then the football stadium for the Ravens is right beside it. But you can't see it because it's too dark.
It was sing, and I didn't know.
She is the Mormon temple in Maryland, which is going to open to the public. And I'm definitely going to go on a tour because I always wanted to see what's inside of there. I forgot to take a picture of the sign for Welcome to Virginia. Sorry, folks. All right, y'all. I am finally home. I'm so tired. It has been such a ride, but I'm home. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Vlogmas of my trip to New York City to see my cousin play in his last collegiate game. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, and don't forget to follow me over on TikTok. Until the next time, you guys, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out.